Welcome back, everyone. In this day and age, just about everybody has a smartphone, but the device may be responsible for bad acne outbreaks and other problems. Dr. Sherry Ingraham with Advanced Dermatology is here with problems she sees in her office a lot. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Yeah, I've never really thought about the phone being a culprit, but it sounds like it must be.
Yeah, sometimes you have to be a detective, and we find a lot of times patients will have acne or rashes on their chin area or cheeks, and so you have to think, what are they doing in their life? Are they putting their hands there, their phone there, that's inducing this?
Okay, so what do we do to help prevent any problems? Because we are going to be using these phones a lot.
Right. So what we need to do is clean our phones on a regular basis. Okay. You know, you think about it, these new phones, I love my new big phone, but that is a big surface.
It covers half your face.
Right.
Almost all your face, actually.
Pressing on your skin, and so we now not only grease and oil and bacteria cause acne, but also pressure. Whenever possible, use a headset, right? You can use a Bluetooth headset or a wired headset. If you can clean it on a regular basis, Apple doesn't like alcohol, but what you can do is mix alcohol and water, or water in a little white vinegar. Wipe your phone, use a microfiber cloth, not Kleenex, because it can leave little fibers. Also, you want to cleanse your face when possible, or wipe your face down. I love this SkinCeuticals product. It has lactic acid, sal acid, so you can take a little wipe, spray it on, and a few times a day wipe your face where you're using the phone. Love this product. I like this Erno Laszlo Sea Mud Soap. It's a black soap, which is kind of fun, but it absorbs oil and impurities in the skin.
Okay, another problem is completely different than even that, and that is we keep hearing about the text neck. So people are getting this, it's changing the whole shape of their face because they look down so much.
It's so interesting. So in our new era, we are on these devices so much, it's actually affecting our body habitus. So when you keep your head down in this position, you actually create more wrinkles across the neck, as well as a more noticeable submental fullness. And so a lot of patients will come in now, they want their selfies to look better, and they're more aware of this, and we'll actually dissolve that fat with Kybella, which is an injectable treatment into this area.
All right, and that's going to really make a big difference. Now, what about the fact that I want to go more into wrinkles, because people are squinting, they're looking, they're watching, and it is actually changing their face. They're actually getting wrinkles from their cell phone. That is so interesting.
Sometimes when I treat people with Botox, I'll say, do you stare at a computer screen all day? Because you'll find they have a deeper furrow here. They don't realize they're squinting and looking at a screen all day. Also, it creates more little crow's feet. So I tell my patients, if you can't get Botox done on a regular basis, it will help prevent these lines from being imprinted, but you want to look for products like this MD Rejuvena product that has retinol in it. Products with retinol, remember, not only stimulate new collagen, prevent wrinkles and skin cancer, but they're a great nightly treatment, a beauty treatment while you sleep.
Okay, and finally I want to ask you about a nickel allergy. A lot of times you have found that that's happening to people. They don't realize that some phones are made out of that.
Absolutely. We have seen patients where they get a dermatitis on one side of their face and they can't figure out, why is it always on this side of my face? And when you look at their phone, you'll actually find out Apple phones do not contain nickel, but other phones do. And nickel is a pretty common allergen. We see patients with allergies to not only jewelry, but also their belt buckles. Those same patients can have a nickel allergy. So you want to get a phone cover. You know, you can get some of these OtterBoxes or other covers that contain the entire phone front and back, because you want to contain the surface not only on your hand where you can get the dermatitis too, but also on the face.
Such good information, Dr. Ingraham. Thank you for being here. Hopefully this will clear up everyone's faces and necks and everywhere in between. Good to see you.
Thanks.